go.
Alright, so through a lot of research, we've... Fuck! Alright, through engineering. And actually, let's get these up here. Yeah, alright. So I'm Caleb.
And I'm Kevin.
And there's a receiver. I fucked up. God damn it. I can just jump into the other thing and we can split it up.
Okay.
You're like, yeah.
I am filming.
Front this time.
Okay, so debunking. Here we go. And action, right?
Alright, so we're just here to show you that we did not actually do all this. We made it all up. And this is everyone in the group with our keys to all of these different cars, like this one, which we reused. It can set off with the fob. So yeah, we didn't really program anything. It's pretty straightforward, actually. That's about it.
And you can't find the code in your manual. Not possible.
Yeah, it's not there.
There is no code.
I actually did all that research on Wikipedia about 5 minutes before filming this.
Awesome. Okay, that's it.
Alright, that's good enough.